Okay, and start live on Binance. Double check our connections. Here we go. I think we are connected. And now I'm going to play our 30-second countdown. I will see you after 30 seconds. Let's go.
Right.
GNG everyone, I am double checking our connections across different social media platforms. And this is Moonlight from Nimble. I'm Nimble's head of community. And today we invite Cecilia or C from NetMindAI to participate our Nimble AI panel. And we have this session every week on Wednesday. Either it's Wednesday very early morning, 7 a.m. New York time, or around noon when we are about to eat lunch. And we also always have Alex, our head of marketing, over here joining us today. Hello, everyone. Let's starting from C. Yay, GM. Yeah, and Alex is very awesome. So we're very glad to see all of you online over here every Wednesday. And C, would you like to starting from introducing yourself and introducing your project, NetMindAI, to us? Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Yeah, very happy to be here. I am C, and I'm head of BD in NetMindAI. NetMindAI is a project that's committed to promoting true general artificial intelligence, aiming to create machines that can understand and learn any human intellectual task. So it focuses on reducing the cost of using AI technology and provide cost-effective solutions like for individuals, like enterprises, and also various organizations. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, C, for the intro. And actually, the other day, we just had our Twitter Space AMA together and learned a lot about NetMindAI. It's very impressive. Thank you. And next, we would like to invite Alex to also briefly introduce yourself and introduce Nimble to our audience over here. Thank you.
Of course. Hey guys, Nimble marketing lead. For those who don't know me, this is the third session already, so we're super excited to be doing it, and really glad to have NetMind join us today. As you probably know about Nimble, those who you don't, here's a refresher. We're an open AI network. We want to democratize AI development and usage. So basically, people can build, own, and profit off of these AI agents, these mini Jarvises of these worlds, but in a decentralized way, right? And we want to do this with efficient computing power, right? So to optimize the computing resources while doing this, and all to kind of get over the challenges in AI right now, right? There's a lot of centralization happening with the likes of ChatGPT kind of owning a lot of data, or there's just high barriers of entries, right? Like very costly computing resources to start or to build these really accurate models. And that's what we want to do, right? We build on Cosmos SDK. That's our core infrastructure. We're interoperable. We want dApps from various chains to be able to use us. And of course, we have this AI computation model that we'll go into detail later.
Cool. Thank you so much, Alex, for sharing things about Nimble with us as well. And let's circle back to see from NetMindAI. Of course, we would like to know about that NetMindAI actually has been in Web2 for a while, right? And why does your product team decide to also come to Web3? And what problem does your team try to solve in the Web3 and AI space? Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, we just talked about like the bigger goal at the beginning, right? So why we come to Web3, the first I would say is about the real like utility, like purpose, like for our token, that's for sure. But also that we see lots of like, challenges like in the Web3 AI spaces as well, like including like high computational costs, data privacy concerns, and also like interoperability issues. So high computational costs like limits the accessibility of like AI technologies and like to small entities, while like data privacy concerns like data users from like fully engaging with the AI solutions, and lastly, the interoperability issues further like complicated the integration of AI services, right? So to address these like challenges, so we have developed like a decentralized computation patient platform like NetMindAI, so which aggregates the idle GPU resources like from the users worldwide. And this approach like significantly reduces the computational cost, like making AI more accessible, which is the mass adoption, focus that is kind of like what we want to see like in the Web3 space. So additionally, like our platform also incorporates like robust like data encryption and also privacy preserving like technologies to safeguard user information. So to tackle the interoperability, we ensure that our solutions are compatible with various like blockchain protocols and also AI frameworks. So we also like work with different protocols all the time. If you guys check the Twitter, and facilitating like seamlessly integration and collaboration across the ecosystem. So our partnership with like we really focus on the academic part. So we actually invest a lot on the leading academic institutions such as like Cambridge, and also University of Edinburgh and Rice University, and also other industry leaders who can definitely like help us at the forefront, technological advancements to ensure that our solution can actually remain innovative and effective, and hopefully that can solve or help relieve the challenges like in the space. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you, Sansi, for sharing the detailed information with us. And I feel like the team behind NetMindAI is really, really strong, right? And Alex, we should collaborate more with C and the team, right? Beyond AMA sessions and AI panels. And Alex, now it's your turn. Can you also let us know, other than GPU mining, right? What else do Nimble do? Because recently we saw that you also wrote a thread, right, on what Nimbos could do in different sectors, including DeepIn, GameFi, and SocialFi. Do you like to elaborate more and share the information with our audience? Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've had these 3 big threads that we put out, and we're gonna actually have more in-depth articles on the GPU side of things as well, on the data structuring. But to come back, there are 3 things, right? There's one point that we operate similar to DeepIn does. So we match the supply and demand of computing resources. That's how we ensure fair market prices. That's how we have no central reliance, and we do this through our order book, right? It just takes based on the demand from an AI task. This assigns a specific computing power that's needed, and this way kind of aggregates applications, resources, developers, and data into one big pool. And through the order book, we can actually even create like this data exchange market. So imagine you have a self-driving vehicle in the future that's producing data, and you can leverage that data to basically sell it for AI agents to use it, and to have more accurate modeling this way. Then there's the GameFi side of things. We're super excited about the GameFi part, because right now when you go and play Minecraft, let's say, and you want to build your own little world by yourself, you don't really have that. It's a very static experience. So we want to see AI agents built as NPC, these non-player characters. Imagine there are like other characters while you build your own world, and they adapt to your player behavior. They can generate real-time content or dialogue. So it turns this static game world into like a very dynamic ecosystem overall. And on the SocialFi side, you probably guys are familiar with the rise of Farcaster, the rise of Lens. There were like about 2-3 more social networks out there. We're 3 social networks out there, right? Maybe your grandparents won't be able to like onboard as easily. So let's say there are these virtual assistants as AI agents that help your grandparents onboard them to Warpcast, to Lens, or they can solve current issues that major platforms face, right? Like moderation, like the security, right? By making it more secure and detecting appropriate content and spam. So these are the things, like, right, in terms of matching the supply and demand of computing resources, kind of like DPIN sort of does, changing GameFi, and looking at simplifying SocialFi.
Cool. And yeah, definitely very exciting to learn more about that, and looking forward to seeing Nimble create AI agent, right, to really helping us or our some elder generations to navigate in the AI space, especially help them to learn more about how to use the AI agents or AI tools. Right? It's definitely going to be very useful for our everyday life. Thank you so much, Alex, for sharing that. And let's go over to see our guest speaker from NetMindAI as well. Yeah, because we have learned about that a lot of basic information from C, right, regarding NetMindAI. What is the long-term goal for the team to build a project? Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, so we have for answering this question, we actually have like couple dApps, on our protocol, which is actually leading to our long-term goal. So the first one is actually NetMind Power, which is our flagship product. So it is designed to revolutionize the AI landscape through the power of decentralized computation. And so the scalability of NetMind Power is, like we define it as our standout like features. So it can actually meet the demands of various like AI applications, like ranging from very small scale experiments to large scale models. So building on that we have developed a suite of applications like the NetMind Chat, which is an AI-driven like platform that allows users to select a large like language models to suit it to their specific needs. And also we have the NetMind Life, which is also like the AI tools to solve the life science like problem. So these are all very like useful tools that we welcome the users to try like on our website. So in terms of our long-term vision, I would say that it is to democratize the access to advanced like AI by building a comprehensive and also decentralized ecosystem that lowers the barrier to entry, like for AI adoption. So we aim to create an interconnected network of AI tools, resources, and also services that can be integrated into various industries to create innovation and efficiency. So by leveraging the power of blockchain, we strive to ensure transparency, security, and also scalability in our solutions. So ultimately, we try to contribute to the development of a more intelligent and interconnected world. So our focus includes like not only like the AI solutions, but also like ensuring these solutions are actually accessible to individuals, small business, and large enterprises to drive the AI mass adoption. Yeah. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you so much, Z, for sharing detailed information with us regarding the long-term goal for NetMind AI. And friends, be sure to visit NetMind.ai official website so you could navigate a lot of the project. Thank you. Following that, we have another question for Alex, our marketing lead at Nimble. Yeah, just like you mentioned, right? Nimble has made a significant milestone in building decentralized GPU network. Yeah, and can you share some of the Nimble's key achievements in this area and how the advancement have benefited the AI communities? Thank you.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We're very proud of what we achieved so far, especially since we started fairly recently, right? On the grand scheme of things, when you look at it. So we've achieved over 50,000 wallets created, right? When we launched a few weeks ago, our open wallet slots, like the creation system itself. And we're over 50,000 right now, which is incredible. Then at the beginning in the spring, late spring, we onboarded over 280,000 GPUs, right? So we can support large scale AI computations if needed. And that's something that not many projects right now can do. And we've also facilitated over 2.2 million AI transactions, right? So that kind of demonstrates that we've achieved a certain level of scalability that I think it's hard to take off from the beginning. So this is something that we've really been really proud of. On the other side of things, for example, we launched a reputation system. I've talked about it in our previous AI panel series with Chainbase last time, and I was talking about how people can just spin up a wallet. Then they have this temporary period, right? When there's in a trading pool. So you get a reputation the score, and that kind of increases over time. And as you exit the temporary reputation, the training pool, if successful, you merge to like the official pool, right? So these are some of the things that we've definitely launched, and we have way more exciting things to talk about too.
That is awesome. Thanks, Alex. And on top of that, Nimble is also hiring, right? We're hiring content creators, especially for designing different banners or memes, and we're also hiring BD. If you are interested in joining Nimble, feel free to reach out to our official Twitter handle. Thank you so much, Alex, for sharing the information with us. And next, I would like to, before we go over to our upcoming plans or roadmap, I actually would like to see, are you or the NetMindAI team going to go to any in real life conferences? For example, upcoming there's a Korean blockchain week, right? And there's also another event in Tokyo, and of course the annual token 2049, right? It's really, really important in Singapore. Will your team be there and organize some side events, because we're planning on that as well? Thank you.
Oh yeah. We definitely are. We are actually planning to do something in Singapore since I saw some like AI summit already, like people are sending me. But we haven't really signed up with any of the side events yet. So we open to more options. But we probably gonna skip Korean just because like most of our teammates are in London. Yeah.
I see.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so much. See, if you are going to go to Token 2049, let us know, because
Yeah, let's meet up.
Alex will be there. Yeah, and our founder and CEO,
That's right.
Sing will also be there.
Oh yeah, let's meet up for sure. Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, or maybe we could organize co-organize side events together as well. It's going to be fun. Nice.
Yeah, that'll be exciting.
Uh-huh.
We organized one at ETC, and it was a blast.
Right. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, it's really cool. And Alex, you might also let our audience know about our upcoming in real life events.
Yeah, so we're going to be at Korean Blockchain Week, and we're currently finalizing plans on co-hosting some of the events right there, right? 2-3 side events, and the Token 49 the same, right? So you'll find us there, and just say hi to us. Me and Sin, our founder, will be there. So yeah, please reach out, and we'll be happy to chat.
Awesome.
And yeah, Cecilia, there's definitely need for a coffee.
Yeah, definitely. Or what else do people eat in Singapore? I remember I think it's bagute or something. It's some really special Chinese medicine soup, so Chinese herbal soup, I should say. Yeah, it's really, really unique. I always want to try, but never been to Singapore. So maybe, in the future, right, we'll have a chance to go over there together as well. And it's toward the end of our AI panel. It's really, really great to be able to chat with C and Alex again over here. We would like to learn more about, other than some exciting in real life events, are there any ongoing activities or campaigns that you would like to share with us? And let's go over to C first. Thank you.
Sorry, the live conference?
Other than those conferences, do you have any other campaigns or activities that our audience or community members could participate together, either in real life or
I think we thank you. Yeah. So I think we have some, like small Galaxy events like all the time, from time to time, that welcome like all to join. I think we just gonna issue some tasks today with the TG board thing. But not like many like big campaigns moving forward, but we try to always like give away to the communities. That's for sure. Yeah.
Awesome. And do you might also share some upcoming roadmaps or major plans for the second half of the year? Thank you.
Sure. We just listed the NMT token because before our token was on the DEX, and it just listed on big get on the past Saturday, and we're gonna launch on Gate on 17th August. So hope the users can thank you. Hope the users can watch the news, and like we just try to add liquidity for our community members. That's our main goal. And in terms of the product side, I would say we still focus on our previous products, and we were expanding the use case for the NMT token. That's for sure. We aim to integrate like NMT into more practical scenarios, like enhancing its utility and ensure it will remain a central component for our ecosystem. So this also includes that it might be used in the payment and also service and resource sharing in the future. That's what we have like for now.
Nice. Thank you, Nasi, for sharing the information. Congratulations on launching the and also upcoming to more centralized exchange.
Hopefully. Yeah. Thank you.
That's definitely a big thing, right? Wow, huge achievement for the second half of the year. Thank you so much. And how about thank you. How about Alex? Do you mind to share some upcoming projects or initiatives that Nimble is working on and how they will benefit the AI and blockchain communities? Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, look, guys, we've been talking about our AI notebook for a while, the order book as well. I've just described the AI agent hub. So we can drop this alpha in the AI panel, but our notebook official launch is quite close. It's right around the corner, a few weeks away. Our entire engineering team is now fully assembled, so we're going full steam on that. And so stay tuned for that announcement. Follow us, comment on, React, and we'll be finally able to have to like issue all the tools for developers to build their agents, right? We will have some demos on our website. For example, you'll be able to, I think I saw a recent demo, Moonlight, on how you can pudgify an image. So let's say you have a koala, but you want it to look like a pudgy penguin. You just click that, and it's like a very mini agent demo in this sense. And we're continuously making updates to order books. So we're foreseeing the beta launch to be also very close. But these are the two main ones. Not to mention the tokenomics, which please go into our documentation, read our tokenomics. It's out there. We'll have a full blast announcement in quite soon, and we'll go in depth about it in our community AMA which is happening tomorrow. So please tune in.
Cool. Yes, talking about that later. I'm going to post a community AMA session bi-weekly, right? Announcement pretty soon. It's going to be out tomorrow. And thank you so much, C and Alex, for joining us today. I'm not sure what time at your side over there. Maybe it's time for dinner. Appreciate that and looking forward to our deeper and further communication, so collaborations as well. Thank you.
Thank you, or thank you both.
Thank you. Bye. I'm going to close our backstage over here. Thank you. And then take a break, everyone.
Thank you.
See you around. Bye. Awesome, friends. It's another successful AI panel session with our great friend C from NetMindAI. Wow, she's definitely really knowledgeable, and NetMindAI certainly have been achieved a lot, especially recent token listing to different exchanges. Congratulations, huge milestones. And also shout out to Alex sharing lots of major updates and upcoming events from Nimble. So friends, don't miss tomorrow. I would say, it's 4 p.m., right? 4 p.m. UTC at our Twitter or X space. We are going to be live and answering our community's questions. Be sure to give both NetMindAI and Nimble a follow so you will not miss more major updates from both our projects. Thank you so much for doing today. I'm going to play some music over here, and then we are going to wrap this up. Thank you. Listen Moonlight from Nimble. See you next time. Bye.